we're going to walk through the steps on how to itemize an expense. You're likely going to run into this need when you are claiming costs for a hotel. So when you're in your expense report, you're going to click Add Expense, and you're going to select Hotel or Lodging. You're going to note your check-in date, check-out date. You can see the system then is calculating the number of nights. You're going to enter your hotel and city of purchase. And then you're going to enter the entire amount for that hotel stay. So this is the total bill. And then you're going to select itemizations. Now we're going to take steps to itemize the amount claimed for the entire stay. So go ahead and create itemization. We're going to select hotel lodging. And there are two different tabs here, so you'll want to make the distinction before you get started. If your hotel had the same rate, same taxes every night of your stay, you'll choose this option. However, if the rates were not the same and there was fluctuation during your stay, you can use not the same as a way to delineate between the different room rates for each given night and the related taxes. For purposes of this example, we're going to use the rates being the same. So this is the room rate and some of the miscellaneous taxes on this particular hotel receipt. We're going to click Save Itemization. So the system has now calculated that of the 676 cents that we said was the total cost for the hotel, $575.76 has been itemized. That leaves a remaining balance of $25 that's left to be classified. This could be a meal that was delivered to the room. It could be internet charges, anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and create itemization and finish this up by selecting the appropriate expense type. So now you can see the amount of the hotel stay and the amount itemized zero out. There's nothing further to itemize for this particular expense. So the last thing that we're going to do is attach a receipt. So go ahead and click the plus button. You can browse on the desktop for a receipt that you might have saved on your computer, or if you've already uploaded it to your receipt library, you can attach it from here. So we're going to go ahead and attach. And now you can see the hotel receipt for the amount that we've claimed is also itemized here within Concur. Alternatively, you could have uploaded this receipt as one of the first steps so that you have it here as a reference point when you're doing the itemizations. It just depends on what works best for you. So once you click Save Expense, that will complete the itemization for that particular item. As mentioned before, hotel is where you're going to run into this most commonly, but you can use those same steps to break apart any other expense by using that itemization tab.